So let's say you've got a set A, and this set is starting from 0 up to 5. And then you've got a set B, which is starting from -2 up to 3. And then the universal set is starting from, let's say, -4 up to 7. Okay, so the first thing, let's put this on the number line. Now, before even that, let me just make questions. We want to find, the first thing we are going to find A. Let's find A complement intersection B. And then for B, let's find A union B complement. And then for C, we are going to find A minus B. Okay, so these are the sets that we are going to be finding. So let's get to find them. Now, before then, actually these questions most of the times are even specified and shown on the number line. So the first thing is A. Let's find A complement intersection B. So the first thing, we are going to put the set A on our number line, and set A starting from 0 up to 5. Remember, we are not including 0, not also including 5, so we'll put open on both parts. This is the set A, and then we'll go to the set B, which is starting from -2. -2 up to 3, so 3 will be somewhere here. We are including -2, so at -2 we're going to shade, and then at 3 we're going to shade, so I'm going to open like that. One thing again, I'll state it, never forget the universal set. The universal set is from -4 up to 7. Whatsoever you do, you can't do anything outside the universal set, so make sure that all your operations are within the universal set. We're including 7 in the universal set. This is you. Okay, now our interest is A complement intersection B. So the first thing that we need to find is A complement. What is outside A? So let's put A complement on this side. So look at the set A. A is starting from 0 up to 5. This is A. So I'm going to write at A at 5. I'll put a dash. I'm going to go in the direction which is outside A, but it shouldn't be outside the universal set. So it should be in the universal set. Now in the universal set, we are including 7. So even this point, we are also going to include it. I'm going to shade. Now 5 is not in A, so it is outside A. So I'm going to shade outside A. Okay, like that. And then there is also this region from this point, so also there I'm going to put again like that, and then it will be going in this direction. Please don't exceed the universal set, so I want to put also a line like that. Now we are not including -4 in the universal set, so even here we're not going to include it. We are not including 0 in A, so we are going to include 0 in the complement outside A. So that's why I'm going to shade at that point. So this is A. Even this one is A complement. They are all outside A. Remember, even if they're outside A, they should be part of the universal set. Now the question is, where is this region in blue intersecting with B? That is A complement intersecting B. Where is it in set B? And where is the set B? The set B is the one you can see in red. So where are they intersecting? So you can see that the blue one and the red one, they intersect this region. So that is A complement intersection. So A complement intersection B is negative at B. Yes, it is part of B. You can see here. Is it part of what is outside A? Yes, it is part, this region. So therefore, we are at -2, and at -2 we are going to put this bracket because we are including -2 itself, and then we are going to go up to what? Up to 0. Now, is 0 part of the set B? Remember, we are saying A complement intersection B. Is it part of the set B? You can see that it is part of the set B. Is it part of the numbers which are outside A? That is it complement? Yes, it is part of A complement because you can see we've shaded this point here. So we are all going to put this. So this is the meaning of A complement intersection B. Now the tricky part I'm going to tell you is this. At UNZA, even if you've read this bracket, instead of you putting this, you put this, you are going to lose the marks. If it is 3 marks, you might just lose all the 3 marks. That's the badness. Make sure that you pay very much attention. Let's hope that has made sense. We look at Yes. Okay. So let me just use the second part. Maybe you are going to get to connect it. I'm going to make sure that I get to connect it to the second part. So for part B, we're talking of A union B. Again, first get the set A, set from 0 up to 5. I'm going to put it. This is set A. And then set B from negative up to 3. Also get to put that we're including negative. I'm going to shade here. We're not including 3, so this is going to be open. This is a set B. Please never, I'm always stating this because of the importance. Never forget the union set. So the union set is from negative 4 up to 7. If they've not told you the union set, meaning it is a set of all real numbers, we are not including negative 4, but we are including 7 in the union set. Okay, this is you. Now, what we are interested in for this question is A union B complement. First, I'm going to go to B and then find its complement. So what is B complement? The set B is here. So I want what is outside B. So I'm going to start here, go in this direction, which is outside the B. I'm going to reach to where the universal set ends. Because 7 is in the universal set, so I'm also going to shade this region. And then I'm also going to start, also go in this direction. I'm going to end at 4. Since 4 is not part, negative 4 is not part of the set, the universal set, then it is not also going to be part of the universal set. Like, think of it, something, if something is not in the universe, then it doesn't exist from what we know. Anything that is not found in the universal set is exist in the universe itself. Now look at this region. The set B doesn't contain 3. Then 3 is going to be what? In the universal set. So we're going to shade there. And then the set B contains negative 2. Then the what is outside B can't contain negative 2. Like if something is in B, it can't be outside B. It is already in B. So that is okay. So I've already put B complement there. Please also pay attention to the shading. I've put B complement there. Now my interest is what is in A together with what is outside B. So is set A. The set A is here. I want where this is not intersection. This is union. Unions combine them. So combine what is outside B. So outside B is this region with the set A. The set A is this region, the O of this one, and then combine with the O of this. That's the meaning of union. Intersection would have only gotten the which is common. If it was intersection, the region would have gotten just this part, because this is the region that is found in B complement and also in the set A. The rest can't be found in A and also in B complement. So that's the meaning. But this is union. That's the difference. So therefore, A union B complement. You always start with the smallest on the left. That is negative 4. And we are not including negative 4. As you can see, it is open there. So and then put a comma. As you get to follow this line, where are you pausing? So we are pausing at negative. I'm going to put negative 2 here. Are we including negative 2 in B complement? No, we are not including. See here is not included. So I'm going to put also that one. It doesn't end there. So we're going to put, because this is the union, we also have this region from here all the way up to here where I've put red. So I'm going to put from 0. This bracket I've put is because 0 is not part of A. So it can't be part of the union. And then I'm going to put, as you get to follow this one, well, this line and this line can be joined. As I said, these which are here are in B complement. They are also in A. So we can use them to connect. Think of it, if I've got money, my friend has got money, we can get that money, put it together, we can join that to buy something. So that is why we can direct from 0 up to 7. So I'm just going to say from 0 up to 7. Are we including 7 in B complement? Yes. So I'm going to put this bracket like that. So this is A union B complement. This is a union. Union means combine everything. It is different from intersection, which means find what is common. Is there a question? Has anyone been left behind? And be free. Yes. Oh, okay. All right. I'm going to come on it. Since the first part is the same with the. Pardon? Okay. Is there anyone who has something to say? Okay. So let's look at C. C is the same thing with A. It's just something different. Now, whenever you see minus B, this means it is in A but not in B. Please, you need to know this one. This is a very important identity. This one on this side. This can also be written as A. You change it to intersection, and then whatsoever is here, write it B, and then just put a complement. Please always put intersection here. So A minus B means A intersection B complement. If it was C minus D, it would have meant C intersection D complement. This is of A minus B. It means A intersection B complement. You need to know this one by heart. Now it is almost the same like the first one. It's just that for the first one we started with A with a complement, but for this one the complement is on B. Let's get to work it out. So I'm first going to put these sets on a number line and then we can work them out. So I'll start with the universal set. That's the first thing you'll be able to put negative 4 up to 7. This is U, and then we're going to put the set A, which is starting from up to 5, and we are not including any of those, so that will just be like this. This is the set A, and then we're going to put the set B, which is from negative 2 up to 3. We are including negative 2, so we shade there, but we are not including 3, so this is going to be open. So this should be the first thing that we get to put. Now remember, we're talking about A intersection B. So first I'm going to look at B, find its complement. What is B complement? We are going to go at the set B and look for everything that is outside. Start from here, start going in the direction that is outside B, but it should be in the universal set. So 7 is part of the universal set, so I'm going to shade here. And you can see that B doesn't contain 3, so 3 is going to be outside. So I'm going to shade there. And then also at this point, I'll be going in this direction. Negative 4 is not in the universal set, so it can't be in B complement. And then 2 is part of the set what? Is part of the set B. Is part of the set B. So obviously it can't be part of the complement. That is why I've not shaded here. So I'm going to also learn this complement. After you do this, now you are interested in the intersection of A with B complement. Remember, B complement is in red, A is in blue. So where are they common? Where is the blue line meeting with the what? With the red line. So you can see here they are meeting. This red portion here is not meeting with anything blue. So section. So B complement is meeting with A from 3 up to 5. So therefore A minus B, which is the same as A intersection B complement, is 3 up to what? Up to 5. But look at this. 5, is it in A or not? You can see that at A we've not, so it can't be in the intersection. So this is going to be open. Even if of course 5 is there in B, but it is not in A. Intersection means what is found in both. So that is why I've put open there. Now look at the 3. is there in the set A. 3 is also there in the set B complement. So it is part of both sets. So this is the meaning of A minus B or A intersection B complement. So that is how you get to put these sets and work them out. That is how you simplify them. Is it making sense? Okay, are there some questions? Is there anyone who is not clear anywhere? Anywhere where you're not clear?